My name is Brent Runnals. I am the Master Tech here at VIP in West Lebanon, New Hampshire. I've been working on and off in the automotive field for probably about most of 20 years now. Every aspect of it, from parts to service to running a small shop and all the way up through. VIP likes to be different and better by pulling back the curtain that is a lot of dealerships and a lot of other service departments use to kind of hide the technicians. They pull that curtain back and allow the customer out there to see their car, to see what we're telling them is going on with their car. Certified Automotive Professionals to VIP allows them to hire someone who is qualified and they know is going to be able to do the job without extra and above and beyond training. When a customer comes into VIP, showing them that we're better and different by taking them out in the shop, showing them what we're doing with their car, showing them if we say it needs brakes, showing them the brakes, showing them how it works, educating the customer as to what your car actually needs. With VIP, earning an automotive customer for life is making that partnership between the shop and the customer to allow them to feel that we're not hiding anything else. We're being completely and utterly upfront, and again, pulling that curtain back from how letting them see the magic behind what's going on in the shop. Becoming a Master Tech to me was just the culmination of coming back into the automotive field, showing that I still had what I did 10 years ago when I made it the first time.